Django is a web framework for Python, meaning it's a tool that helps create websites and applications quickly and an organized way. Because of that, I use it in my projects, as you can see. Hey guys, so I ended up deleting my previous project because I created using SuperAdmin. I decided to start fresh with a new one to fix the mistakes I made and I make it better. Now, let's build the initial part of the project together. Here we have the URL and the views, and they go hand in hand. To get started, we import the HTTP response, which will give us the return from the link we will see next. Then, we define the home page with this simple code. The URLs, we have got the path, which will serve as the base for creating the URLs. To set them up, it's basically the URL format. Then we call the page. No change so far because we need to import the views. As we can see, the page is working perfectly. The text is unstyled, but is working. And we can easily manipulate it. By the way, we are in the HTML now, and notice how fast the site is responding. We added a simple condition here, and we'll test to see if the sites respond to it. And it works, so the condition is definitely doing its job. And that is it for today. Hope you liked the video. Hit like and subscribe for more. Thanks guys.